stone and shadow, cold breath of the hill, ancient teeth of the battlements, still, so still. We rise above the heather, gray crown in the mist. 13 centuries of winter in every twist. Windows like dark, watchful eyes, tracing where the battles past. Names carved into the staircase, vows that swore to last. Haunted walls remember every tear, every fight, every fall. 700 years of breathing in this blood, in this stone, in these halls. Spirits in the courtyard, echo in the banners as they sway. Haunted walls remember, but the living fly away. Flags fade on the turret, rust stains on the leaf. Portraits watch in silence, guard